In 1972, ada seekor anjing, dia bawa something dalam mulut dia balik rumah. Bukan tulang lembu, bukan tulang ayam, tapi tulang tangan manusia. It belongs to Jeanette De Palma. So, siapa Jeanette? Apa kisah dia? Let's dive in. Jeanette De Palma is 16 years old. She lives in Springfield, New Jersey. And she is very friendly, very active, a normal teenager. On 7 August 1972, dia keluar rumah nak jumpa kawan dia lah kononnya. But dia tak balik-balik, and sampai evening, mak dia mula risau. And 6 weeks after dia hilang, satu keluarga dia terkejut bila anjing peliharaan diorang bawa balik a human arm. So, polis terkejut, diorang ikut jejak and found Jeanette's body dekat Rocky Cliff yang orang panggil the Devil's Teeth. Tapi in 2021, gambar kes tu finally came out and it is not like what people say it is. Sebab ramai kata daripada asalnya cerita ni ada pentagram lah dekat body Jeanette, ada haiwan korban lah, tapi sebenarnya tak ada pun. It's just a body on a rocky cliff. And yang banyak sensational tu mungkin just rumours pada zaman tu je. And for years, ramai kata that actually file case ni hilang sebab banjir besar in 1999. But in 2024, Weird NJ dapat that particular file dekat dalam prosecutor's office. And when they open the file, it is confirmed memang tak ada kena-mengena dengan occult atau ritual sacrification pun. Ada juga teori baru yang kata it has something to do with SK yang Richard Cottingham tu yang claim dia terlibat, tapi benda tu tak pernah disahkan oleh polis pun. And now more than 50 years, today we still don't know what happened to Jeanette De Palma. Dia korban ritual cult, and some cakap it's just an ordinary tragic thing that happened, and some kata it's just an ordinary crime. So, what do you really think happened to Jeanette? Memang betul-betul occult ataupun just rumours yang orang war-warkan?